Kishan, how are you?
Fine, sir.
You are doing good?
Yes.
Okay. So is this your first SSB?
Yes.
Okay. So Jai Kishan, tell me something about, we'll have next 40 to 45 minutes interaction with you and just to understand you better.
Yes.
Tell me something about yourself, your family, where do you belong to, your educational qualifications and currently what you are doing.
Yes. Sir, I belong to a small village called named Batemura from Sambalpur district of Odisha, and my father is a teacher and my mother is also a government teacher, and I have completed my 10th from DAV Public School Kurla. Also my 12th also I have completed from there, and now I have taken a break. Means I have taken a break to prepare for JEE mains. Drop. I have taken a drop.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Did we miss something? Any of the information that I asked for?
I don't think so.
Okay. So, what is your highest qualification?
So 12. Plus 2.
Plus 2. Which stream you did that?
Science.
Okay. And what are the primary subjects?
PCM.
What is
Physics,
PCM?
chemistry, math.
Physics, chemistry. And currently, what you are doing?
Currently I am preparing for JEE exams.
JEE exam. Okay. That's good. Why did you? In fact, why you are interested to join the army?
So I am inspired from my uncles. He's in the JCO rank of Indian Army.
Okay. And where does he serve?
He served in the Delhi headquarters.
He's the own uncle.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What inspires generally? What are the qualities in him that inspires you to join the
Sir,
army?
he's very punctual. He always keep his words. He does what he talks, and he's very punctual. He has a very good personality. I'm inspired from him.
What difference would you make? For example, you have two choices in your life: that you clear JEE and you go to IIT, and you get an opportunity to join Indian Armed Forces. Which one would you choose and why?
So I always joined the Indian Armed Forces
Why so?
because from childhood I have a dream for joining the Indian Armed Forces. Either it may be Navy, Air Force, or Army.
Okay. Why you want to become an officer?
So I think I have possessed the qualities to become an officer.
Tell me three qualities that you have, which you feel that is required to become an officer in the army.
Courage, sense of responsibility, and effective intelligence.
Can you give me three events, one event each of these qualities which has happened in your life, and you can narrate the story to me?
Yes, sir. It's one of my sister's marriage. I am telling all the sense of responsibility, sir.
Okay.
And there were the catering services there, sir. And that ice cream, who served the ice cream, he was not present. So I took the responsibility to serve the ice cream who came to the marriages, and I served it very well.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And about courage, once we all friends want to, what I can say, sir, waterfall like that, something, to a picnic, and one of my friends don't know how to swim, but he gone to swim there, but he struck there in that how can I say that, sir? The water that is going round and round. So I took the step. I know I am a very good swimmer. I took the step and saved him and took him back to the safe place.
Do you have any siblings?
No, sir, I am single.
Okay, you are a single child.
Yes.
And what's your father and what's your mother?
My father is a government teacher and my mother is also a government
Government teacher. Both are employed.
teacher. Yes.
How do they have taken care of you when they are employed?
Actually, most of my time I was with my grandmother and my grandfather, both my grandparents. And because my father and mother, they both go to schools and they come at 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. daily. Only in Sundays they are with me all the time.
Who is more closer to you, your father or your mother?
I think my mother, sir.
Why so?
Because I can share everything with my mother. And with my father, I can share, but sir, little bit hesitation, sir, because out of respect, sir, not out of fear, out of respect.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, is there anything in your life that your father or mother doesn't know? Any event in your life, anything that you have done, or anything that they are not aware of?
Anything.
Yeah, of course. Anything.
Sir, once I by mistakenly smoked, sir, and I didn't tell my parents.
Okay.
That's one of my secret.
Your mother doesn't
No, she doesn't know.
But you share everything with your mother. This you have not shared.
Yes, but
Okay. You may have your obvious reasons for that.
yes,
Okay. So coming to the schooling part, you studied in DAV Public School, Burla,
yes,
and you have scored very good percentage, 95.2%.
yes.
And then again 10 plus 2 you completed with 90.8%. That's really impressive. But why did this percentage go down in plus 2?
Because everybody knows that Corona times they were giving online sessions, and I honestly I want to say that I didn't attended the class with my whole means I didn't attend it with my full attention. I think that's the reason why I got little bit less.
What are the reasons for your missed attention during those times?
Online there are many distractions such as social media, Instagram, Facebook.
Are you there in all the social media, Instagram, Facebook?
Yes.
So how much time do you spend on the social media?
So during the COVID pandemic, I was spending most of my day, one third of my day was I was spending in the social media.
What do you do on that?
So scrolling the reels, any news, any new post, any new celebrity posting any new videos.
So what are the kind of news you are interested in?
I follow all accounts of the Indian Armed Forces
Okay.
and new current pages, current affairs pages, and some food channels. Yes.
Some food channels. Why food channels?
I'm little bit foodie, sir.
Tell me something, any news that has inspired you in last 6 months regarding Indian Army, Navy or Air Force, which you have seen on the social media.
Indian what's that?
You follow the news of
Yes.
Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, right? So tell me any news that you have come across which you are aware of or you are inspired by it or you love that news. Any news in last 6 months?
Sir, the Rafale came, sir. We bought Rafale from France.
Okay, when did Rafale came?
Sir, 3 or 4 months ago.
4 months ago. Okay. So what is that Rafale aircraft all about?
Rafale is means fighting aircraft, a fifth generation aircraft,
Okay.
and this weapon means it has many futures that will strong our Indian Armed Forces.
Okay. What are the other aircrafts that Indian Air Force holds?
So Tejas
Okay.
and what Chinook is a helicopter, but and there are some more, sir.
Okay. Are you aware of any kind of equipment that Indian Army holds?
Indian Army holds AK-47 and
That is a small arms.
so
What else?
and rifles,
Okay. Nothing else?
pistols, small pistols.
Okay. What else? Okay.
Yes.
No worries. So who was your favorite teacher in your school?
Favorite teacher.
Yes.
In my 10th standard, my Odia teacher she was my favorite.
Why so? Any reasons for that?
She what I can say, she scolds me the most in our class, but I was her favorite, and she was my favorite also.
Okay, but what are the reasons? Why do you? There must be many teachers in your school, in your class. So why that particular teacher was chosen?
She was personal with me. She was sharing her own things, and I can also share my own pros and cons.
Okay, and how did that happen?
Interactions, getting close with the teachers,
Okay.
saying what I have means what I lack in my studies. That's
Okay.
all.
So you told that you share your pros and cons with the teacher. So what are the cons of yours that you have shared with your favorite teacher?
At the 10th, I can't focus on my classes. I was not able to focus constantly.
Okay. Why so?
Because I was little distracted. Sir.
Distracted. Distracted to what?
So I was talking with the friends when the teacher was teaching and looking somewhere, anywhere.
Okay. How did your favorite teacher help you? Which are the qualities your favorite teacher helped you to build with you?
Yes, sir. First, she always talked with me that what should I do to be a better student. Not as an academic person, but also a very good person also. She teach me a lot of qualities. Means have to be responsible and be truthful, be obedient, obedient student. Even if you are not a very good in academics, but you can be a very good person in life. She told me.
Okay. Who is the teacher whom you hate most?
No such teachers, no hatred,
Okay.
but there are
Who
some.
you dislike? I don't say hatred. Who you dislike the most? In your school, in your college?
I will not dislike the teachers. I am disliking the subject, art teachers.
Arts teacher.
Yes.
What subject did the arts teacher teach?
Art, sir, art, drawing.
Okay, art.
Yes.
So you are not good at drawing.
Yes.
You like, he hated the, and anyone who come to teach arts, you dislike
Yes.
him or her. Okay. Why don't you like the arts? Any particular reasons?
I don't have any reasons, but I can't draw good pictures, sir, and drawings.
Okay. Anytime you tried for that, or you?
Yes, sir, I have tried, sir. I have tried best of. I have joined a drawing class also, sir. But I was not able to draw anything.
So which is your favorite subject you have studied in school or college?
So in 10th I liked maths. In 12th I liked chemistry.
Why so?
My interest in maths has gone little bit down. I had more interest for chemistry.
Why so?
I found it little bit easy in 12th.
Chemistry. Okay. Okay. So I can see that you have played quite a lot of games: cricket, football, volleyball at the school and college levels. So, which is your favorite game? I think I can make out that you are a sports
That's
person.
two favorite games. Means first which I like to play is cricket, and which I like to watch is football.
You like to watch. Okay.
I'm big fan of football.
Okay. And what about volleyball? You have written.
So volleyball I love playing. Sir. Means, I love playing. It's a very good game.
What are the? Can you tell me any lessons that the sports has given you or you have learnt out of it, which has helped you in building your character?
So teamwork. I was a captain. I was a vice captain of my Indian team in this one, sir. My school cricket team.
Okay.
So it has given me a lot of leadership qualities
Okay.
and teamwork with the cooperation and taking initiative.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. And which is the recent match you have watched? Cricket or football?
Cricket, so that last test match India won against New Zealand.
Okay. And what was the best part of that match?
That's part of the century from Mayank Agarwal.
Okay. Okay. And which is the football match you have?
Last. Yes,
Yes.
sir. This Premier League match, sir. My favorite player is Cristiano Ronaldo, sir.
Okay. And which team does it belong to?
Manchester United.
Okay. And which team he was earlier in?
Earlier, he was in Juventus, and the early stage he was in Manchester United. Then he gone to Real Madrid.
Okay.
Then he went to Italy, then Juventus. Then he came back to his real teams.
Do you have any idea about the dimensions of the football ball?
Sorry, sir.
Don't have any idea? Okay. And cricket, basically,
Can I tell you the rules
okay, tell me the rules.
of cricket?
Yes.
Yes.
Any critical 3 or 4 rules that you are
So LBW, leg before wicket.
Okay.
The ball is pitching outside off and hitting the stumps, and the batsman doesn't hit with the bat, then it's out.
Okay.
And then also DRS. You can take DRS if the umpire doesn't, by mistake, it doesn't give the out, or and the captain thinks that it's out, then he can take DRS. Also, that power play rules, sir, means in T20 the first 6 overs only 2 players can be outside the circle. And also,
Do you watch IPL?
yes, sir,
Which is your favorite team?
Chennai Super Kings.
Okay, and so obviously I think your favorite player would be MS Dhoni.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me any 3 or 4 good qualities of MS Dhoni you have watched or you are aware of?
So he's very calm and composed. He never loses his cool.
Okay.
He's a very great captain, sir. He's also a lieutenant colonel in Indian Army, sir.
Okay.
And he's a very good cooperation with his teammates
And are you a batsman or a bowler?
and all-rounders.
And what is the highest score or any unforgettable game or match you remember in your?
Sir, I didn't score that much game, but I played a very crucial knock, sir,
Okay.
of 37 runs, but we won the game, sir.
When was it?
And it was in my 10th standards. Okay, against one of the very best teams.
Okay. Very interestingly, you have written you have some hobbies and interests.
Yes.
Calligraphy. What is calligraphy?
So writing beautiful words with your art means I can have a very good handwriting, sir.
You have a very good handwriting, but surprisingly, you are not interested in arts. Isn't it sounding a little contradictory?
Yes, sir, but I can't do any drawings.
Okay.
But I can write very well.
Okay. So a lot of hobbies and interests you have mentioned here. Playing music. What kind of music do you
So
play?
I like Western music, like tango.
Okay. You play tango?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tango and okay. So calligraphy, playing outdoor debate. Playing outdoor games.
Yes.
Debate, quiz, art competition also you have written as your hobby.
Art competition, no, sir. There is drama competitions. Arts means drama, sir.
Okay, so it is written art competition here.
So,
Okay. So drama. When did you start developing your interest in drama?
So once there was a inter-school drama competition, sir, and my class teacher told me that you are a very naughty student in your class, and you should participate in the drama competition. And I went. I never felt anything, and when I went, and I think I was little not I was not little concerned about it, but after doing some sessions, I was really interested about this.
Which is your favorite hobby, and in which hobby you spend your most of the time when you get time out of this?
Playing music and playing any outdoor game.
Any learnings or anything that you have take away from these hobbies?
So from music, you have to be matched with the tempos of the music. So you have to be calm and composed. You shouldn't be hurry up. So you have to be very calm and listen to the instructor, what he's saying.
Okay.
Playing games, you have that team spirit.
Okay.
Yes.
You also participated in quiz activity. You have got third prize in 2018-19.
Yes.
Which are the newspapers or news channels you follow?
So I follow that DD News.
DD News.
Yes.
Okay. Why did you?
But yes, sir, I think that they give a very neutral review about it.
How much time do you spend on your current
Sir, now I
affairs?
am not able to spend, sir, because I don't have TV also. But when I was in home, I was in the morning. I would wake up, do my brush, and I will sit for about half an hour, 45 minutes.
Nick, can you tell me any current national or international news that you feel that has impacted the country as a whole, or the bilateral relationship with the country?
So India is by S-400 anti-missile system from Russia, which is
Okay.
strengthen the relationship between India and Russia.
Okay.
And India also provided some food trucks to the Afghanistan through via Pakistan, but Pakistan refused to take it or demanded money for it. But India somehow took the trucks to the Afghanistan. They said food grains and something like this.
Okay. Any recent news that you could tell me? Any current news that you have heard or gone through yesterday and today, the last 2 days?
So that was we group captain, sir. He died, sir. He was a lone survivor of the helicopter crash. He was Bipin Rawat also.
Okay. Any other good news?
Good news, sir. Good news. Yes, sir. Rohit Sharma means I can tell the sports news also.
Yeah, you can tell me whatever is good to you. You can tell.
Yes, yes. Indian team is going to South Africa to play ODI matches and Test matches.
Who are your favorite friends, close friends?
Close friends.
Do you make friends?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who are your friends, close friends?
Close friends. I have a group of 5 friends who are very close to me.
Okay.
I can name them.
Yeah, you can name.
Nimish, Abhinandan, Atul, Rishabh, Pratijit.
What are the qualities do you like in each of these friends?
They
Why
very-
you are close?
So they can understand me very better.
You tell me individually.
Individual.
Yeah.
So Nimish is very close to me. Sir.
Okay.
He can understand me means everything about me. Sir. He knows what are my weakness and what are my strengths.
Okay.
And also about Abhinandan, he always supports in my studies. Sir. He always guides me what to do because he also had appeared for JEE mains and he had cracked it. So he always guide me about it. He's a very depth knowledge in archaeology, sir. So he provides many facts about this. He also reads
For
many books.
these results only you are close with
No sir. I'm telling you about the qualities.
quality. Okay.
Yes. And then Atul sir, he's very friendly sir. Means he always carries any family matter, everything with me. And with Pratik, we always get along very well. We go to any place. We like to go to any place. I go with Pratik.
Okay. And what is the quality within you
Yes.
that each of them likes?
Each of them likes caring,
Okay.
and then I'm little funny sir,
Okay.
and I can make them laugh,
Okay.
and I can motivate them also sir,
Okay.
and I'm very friendly with them.
Okay. Can you crack a joke for me?
Yes sir.
Yeah.
I can tell a joke sir.
Yeah, you are funny, so I want to laugh also. So can you crack a joke for me?
Now,
Now only, yeah.
yes sir. Means I can tell it in Hindi sir because
You can
that
tell in any language which can make you laugh.
one day एक दिन एक आलू और केला बात करते थे तो आलू बोलता है सॉरी केला बोलता है केला बोलता है आलू को कि तेरे को तो सब चीज ये खा जाते हैं, तो आलू बोलता है केला को तेरे को तो नंगा करके सब खा जाते हैं.
So these kind of jokes you
No,
have
sir, I am
shared.
telling about examples.
Good example. Okay. So, okay. Right. So, tell me one thing. For example, you are appearing for the SSB and you do not get through. What are your future plans?
My future. Sir, I have 3 attempts left for NDA and TS also I have left 3 attempts. So I will secure a good mark in JE exam so that I can qualify for TS and prepare hard for NDA exam so that I can get all the 3 chances and go to the SSB and somehow I will crack it.
Okay. Next time also you come, you are unable to make it. What will you do?
Try harder for the next time.
So next time also you attend the interview, you do not make it. What will you do?
I will prepare for 3 days.
Okay. CDS also you cannot, you are unable to make it. What will you do?
3 days also. There are other many exams also, sir. FK.
Okay. You are unable to make it. What will you do?
Sir, I will do BTECs
Okay.
and I will take corporate job.
Okay.
Then I will try for any government exam. With respect to the corporate job, I will try to do prepare for government exams, like any UPSC exam
Okay.
or territorial army exam also I can use.
Right. And fine. So I think who manages the finances in your family?
My father's.
Okay. For example, for a single month, you are been assigned to manage your finances of your family.
Yes.
How do you manage differently as it is being managed by your father?
So my father always fix the money in the fixed deposits. So I will invest in mutual funds, in stock market, so that we can get little bit more value forward.
Have you ever suggested this to your father?
I suggested for mutual funds,
Okay.
and he has done it once.
He has done it once. Then he had the trust now that whatever my son will say. Okay.
Yes, sir. That was little bit successful. I think he has trust on me.
How much time do you spend with your mother?
And see, after she comes from the school, I am with her once.
And what your mother has taught you, any in fact, character building or anything that you feel that your mother, those lessons will be staying with you for a lifetime. Any lessons that your mother taught?
So always believe in yourself.
Okay.
Never ever think yourself that you are not up to the mark. Always believe that you are up to the level and you have a confidence on yourself so that you can achieve your goal what you deserve, sir.
Right. So thank you so much, Jai Kishan. I think I am done with the interview. And anything you would like to ask me?
I would like to. What criteria is?
I am asking you a question. You are asking me a repeat question. So any criteria? So I am just kidding. Any criteria? You can ask me anything if you want to ask me.
Yes, sir. You are from which regiments?
I am from Regiment of Artillery. Yeah.
So first when you joined the Indian Armed Forces, in what age?
I joined Indian Armed Forces at the age of 22.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. In which first you was posted in which command? Yes.
I got posted in Eastern Command. Initially. Right? Jai Kishan, thank you so much and wish you all the best for your rest of the GTO
Yes.
and conference and all the best. Thank you. Thank you.